After creating a gateway, you can log into it to access your dashboard. Click here to modify each gateway's dashboard. From the dashboard, obtain insights like your present balance, cumulative payments, and today's transactions. The payment diagram is displayed based on dates and number of payments. In the final section, you can view a list of all transactions. Additionally, on the left side menu, there is another way to access this list. Filters within this list facilitate locating your desired transaction. Here, you can view transaction classifications based on payment status. Please note that the payment link is valid for only 1 hour, and the transaction will be in the awaiting payment status until the payment is submitted. If it is not submitted in time, it is categorized as expired. Only the payments that are equal to the expected amount are categorized as successful. For more information about qualified and unqualified transactions, please refer to the settings. On the transaction type field, receiving website payments are designated as direct transactions on the generated payment page and are categorized under the corresponding payment link. For more details on each transaction, click here to view the comprehensive information.